Secluded retreat that is close to town, yet nestled just 2 miles away from the tranquil Pine Grove State Recreation Area and Lake Monroe's boat ramp. This charming 3-bedroom, 1.5-bath log cabin offers a perfect blend of rustic allure and modern comfort. Nestled on a private lane, this home boasts a deck and patio where you can unwind and soak in the beauty of the woods and serene surroundings. Step inside to discover the inviting main floor featuring a well-appointed kitchen, dining room, and a spacious living room adorned with built-in shelving. Completing this level is a comfortable bedroom and a convenient half bath. Ascend the stairs to find a full bathroom and 2 additional bedrooms, including the primary bedroom adorned with beautiful skylight windows. The lower level beckons with a welcoming recreation room anchored by a grand stone, wood-burning fireplace. A one